In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear cache in Notion. If your pages feel slow, look out of date, or refuse to show recent edits, clearing the page cache is a quick, safe way to refresh what Notion stores locally and get everything back in sync. It doesn't delete your content, it simply clears temporary files so Notion can fetch the latest version of your pages. Think of it as tidying up a workspace drawer. You're not throwing away documents, you're just clearing the clutter so you can find the most current copy faster. This is particularly helpful after big updates to databases, shared pages, or when switching between devices. First, go to notion.com. You can use any modern browser. Head to the website just like you normally would. On the homepage, click Login or Launch Notion. If you're already signed in on this device, Launch Notion takes you straight to your workspace. If not, choose Login and sign in as you normally do. Either option gets you into your Notion workspace so you can access the menu we need. Once you're in, look to the left side of the screen for the navigation panel where you see your pages and favorites. At the very bottom of that panel, you'll find a tiny question mark icon. This is the help and support icon, and it also gives you access to additional settings that include the cache option we're after. Click the question mark icon and a small menu will appear. From this menu, choose More. This expands a second set of options that are focused on advanced tools and maintenance actions. In the next menu that appears, click Clear Page Cache. The moment you do, Notion will clear the locally stored page data and prompt your workspace to reload the newest content. You may notice a brief refresh or a quick flicker as pages repopulate. That's expected. Again, no pages are deleted. This only cleans up temporary storage so your content can load cleanly. You won't be signed out, and your teams and pages remain exactly where they were. If you work across multiple workspaces, the option lives in the same place for each one, so the process feels familiar every time. That's all it takes. Go to notion.com, log in, or launch your workspace, open the question mark menu at the bottom of the left panel, click More, then select Clear Page Cache. It's a simple maintenance step you can use whenever Notion feels out of sync, sluggish, or pages just don't look right. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.